Very good morning, children. LK Tripathi is here, your assistant teacher from LPM Public School. Dear students, as we have been discussing about Geography Chapter 5, the topic is Realms of the Earth. In the last video explanation, we have seen about the lithosphere, formation of the continents, how did continents form. In this concern ahead, we shall study about the different types of continents located on the earth. First of all, we shall start from the largest continent of the world, that is Asia. The Asia is the continent in which we live. Asia, the world's largest continent, covers 1/3 of the Earth's total land surface and is surrounded by the Arctic Ocean in the north. Watch carefully. This is the largest continent in the world, and from the north side, it is surrounded by the Arctic Ocean, the Indian Ocean in the south, and the Pacific Ocean in the east. North, south, east. Three major oceans are there through which Asia is surrounded. It has the highest mountains and the lowest points in the world. Likewise, Himalaya, Gobi, circle of mountains from different sides, as you experience in your country also. Whole north part of India is surrounded by the mountains. Some of the world's longest rivers, such as the Yangtze, Euphrates, Indus, and Ganga, as well as deserts, such as Gobi and Thar, are in Asia. Gobi in China, Thar in India. The variations of the landforms can be seen in Asia. Big rivers, high mountains, large deserts, so on there in this continent. It also has the highest population among all the continents. Ancient civilizations of the Indus Valley, China, and Mesopotamia thrived here. The earliest civilization, you can say the earliest human civilization, emerged or found on the valleys of Indus, China, Mesopotamia. They all are in Asia continent. This continent lies in the eastern hemisphere. Hemispheric location is the eastern. Now second, that is Africa, the second largest continent in the world. Africa is the second largest continent in the world, covering about 1/5 of the Earth's land surface. 1/5 alone it covers the land surface, the second largest continent. The continent is surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean in the west. वेस्ट में इसके अटलांटिक ओशन है, इंडियन ओशन है ईस्ट में. अफ्रीका इज ज्वाइंट टू एशिया by the Isthmus of Suez. Suez Canal is also very important, a famous canal, and straight forward it joins Asia by the Isthmus of Suez. Most of Africa is a vast plateau with the Atlas Mountains in the north, west, and the Cape Ranges in the south. It has the world's largest hot desert, the Sahara Desert. The equator or 0 degree latitude runs almost through the middle of the continent. The greatest circle of the earth, that is equator, or it also known as 0 degree latitude, almost the middle of Africa it runs. That's why Africa is very hot, that is nearby the equator. A large part of the continent lies in the northern hemisphere. नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर की तरफ इसका बहुत बड़ा भाग होता जाता है जो यहाँ पर लोकेटेड है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट कॉन्टिनेंट दैट इज नॉर्थ अमेरिका. दैट इज द थर्ड लार्जेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट इन द वर्ल्ड. It is surrounded by the Arctic Ocean in the north, the Atlantic Ocean in the east, and the Pacific Ocean in the south and west. North and South America are joined by the Isthmus of Panama. Both the continent is joined by the Isthmus of Panama. That is very famous and historical isthmus, which is very important for both of the continent to link of the trade relations and traveling. It also has the second longest coastline of 60,000 kilometers. You can suppose how long coastal lines are there. Some of the major rivers in this continent are the Mississippi, Mackenzie, Red Yukon, and Lawrence. These are the major river bodies of this continent. The Great Lakes in North America is the largest group of freshwater lakes on the earth. The world's most striking canyon in the world, the Grand Canyon, is located in North America. This continent lies in the western hemisphere. Now the next, that is South America. South America is the fourth largest continent in the world, covering 1/8 of the Earth's land surface. It is bounded by the Pacific Ocean on the west and the Atlantic Ocean on the north and east. South America has the largest river basin in the world, drained by the Amazon River. Paraguay, Uruguay, and Orinoco are the other major rivers. The Andes, world's longest mountain range, runs through the north to south. South America lies mostly in the southern hemisphere. In this way, we have studied about the South Africa. Next, that is Europe. Europe is the second smallest continent, covering about 1/15 of the Earth's land surface. It forms a continuous landmass with Asia, and together the two continents are called Eurasia. It is bounded by the Arctic Ocean in the north, the Atlantic Ocean in the west, the Mediterranean Sea, and the Black Sea in the south. It has a very irregular coastline which extends to 38,000 kilometers and is marked by bays and fjords. Europe is also marked by thousands of lakes in Finland, Norway, and Sweden. The Rhine, Rhone, Danube, Volga rivers here. Volga, Dnieper, and Thames are some of the major rivers here. The Arctic Circle passes through it. This continent lies mostly in the western hemisphere. Antarctica. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent. It is almost entirely covered by huge sheets of ice. All time that is frozen continent, huge floating of ice are there. It lies in a circular pattern around the South Pole with an average elevation of 2195 meters. That is absolutely located nearby the South Pole. Average elevation is 2195 meters. It is the world's highest continent. सबसे ऊंचाई पर बसने वाला एक कॉन्टिनेंट है अंटार्कटिका. Nearly 95% of the continent is covered by ice and snow. The entire part of this continent, we can say, is covered by the ice and snow. So no one really knows what lies underneath the thick sheet of ice. Due to this reason, the only form of life and land, plants, and animals that have adapted to the extremely cold climate of this continent. This is the reason that only land plants and animals who have adapted to extremely cold climates in this region, only they can survive. Otherwise, for the human beings, that is very difficult to survive there. There are no permanent human settlements in Antarctica. It lies completely in the southern hemisphere. Australia, that is the smallest continent of the world. Australia is the only continent that is also a country, the sixth largest. It is surrounded on all sides by oceans and seas and is also known as the island continent. इसको आइलैंड कॉन्टिनेंट भी कहा जाता है. ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज मार्क्ड बाय लो रिलीफ एंड एरिडिटी. यहाँ पर बहुत लो रिलीफ है, एरिडिटी बहुत कम है. मेजर रिवर्स ऑफ कॉन्टिनेंट आर मूरे, डार्लिंग्स, फ्लिंडर्स एंड स्वैन. द ग्रेट बैरियर रीफ is one of the most remarkable relief features of Australia. This is very famous and very remarkable relief feature of Australia, that is the Great Barrier. It is composed of corals. It lies entirely in the southern hemisphere. The land of coral, you can say, are extremely located in southern hemisphere. Dear students, we are going to close this video here. Next we shall study the hydrosphere. Thank you.